Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic algebraic expressions. Let's start by understanding what an expression is. Any mathematical expression which consists of numbers, variables, and operations are called algebraic expressions. For example, 5x plus 2y is equal to 7 is an expression. It includes numbers 5 and 2, variables x and y, and operations addition. Before we move on to more complex algebraic expressions, do you know what exponents are? An exponent is a number that indicates how many times to multiply the base number by itself. For example, a squared, written as a squared, means a is multiplied by itself 2 times. So, a squared means a multiplies a. Now that we know about exponents, let's dive into some important terms in algebra. These include terms, factors, coefficient, and variable. Next, let's discuss what terms and factors are. In an expression, terms are every part separated by an operation. For instance, in the expression 3a squared b plus 4ab squared, we can identify two terms, 3a squared b and 4a b squared. On the other hand, factors are the quantities we multiply together to get a term. For example, 3a squared b consists of factors 3a, a, and b, while 4a, b squared consists of factors 4a and b, b. Now, let's learn about coefficients and variables. A coefficient is the number placed in front of the variable or the numerical factor of the term. For instance, in the term 3a plus 2, the coefficient of the term 3a is 3. Variables are letters like x or y that represent numbers. In our example, 3a contains the variable a. Moving on, there are special cases with coefficients. When the coefficient of a term is 1, it is usually omitted for simplicity. For example, instead of writing 1x, we simply write x. When the coefficient is -1, we indicate it only with the minus sign. For example, instead of writing -1 x, we just write -x. Let's look at the general use of coefficients. A coefficient can be a numerical or algebraic factor, or even a product of two. For example, in the term 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of xy. Similarly, x is the coefficient of 5y and y is the coefficient of 5x. Now, let's simplify an expression. If we have -5x squared plus 5x minus 2x squared minus 8x plus 11 minus x minus 15, we can combine like terms. First, we group the x squared terms and the x terms together. This leads us to -5x squared minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 1x plus 11 minus 15, which simplifies to -7x squared minus 4x minus 4. Next, let's look at factors for terms. For the expression 4x plus 5, the first term is 4x and its factors are 4 and x. The second term is 5, which has one factor, which is 5. The expression is formed by adding these terms. Similarly, for the expression 4x squared minus 3xy, the first term is 4x squared with factors 4, x, and x. The second term is minus 3xy with factors minus 3, x, and y. Now, we will learn about monomials, binomials, and polynomials. A monomial is an algebraic expression having only one term, such as 5x squared. A binomial has two terms, like 5x squared plus 2y. A trinomial has three terms, for example, 5x squared plus 2y plus 9xy. A polynomial is an algebraic expression having one or more terms, like 5x squared plus 2y plus 9xy plus 4, where all variables have non-negative integers as exponents. Let's discuss like and unlike terms. Like terms are those that have the same variable. For example, 3x plus 4x are like terms. On the contrary, unlike terms are those that have different variables. For instance, 3x plus 4y are unlike terms. Next, let's see the application of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions can represent number patterns. For example, we can show the relationship between cones and the number of ice cream scoops. If n represents the number of cones, then 2n represents the number of ice cream scoops. So, if there is one cone, there are 2 scoops, for 2 cones there are 4 scoops, and so on. Furthermore, we can write formulas for the perimeter and area of geometrical figures using simple algebraic expressions. For instance, if L represents the side of a square, then the perimeter is 4L and the area is L squared. Now, let's look at a solved example. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to -1, we can find the value of the expression to A plus to B. Plugging in the values, we get 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by -1, giving 0 minus 2, which simplifies to -2. For another expression, 2a squared b plus 2ab, we substitute the value of a and b into the expression, giving 2 multiplied 0 squared multiplied -1 plus 2 multiplied 0 multiplied -1, which equates to 0. Lastly, let's simplify expressions with integer coefficients. For the expression 5x plus 4y minus 2x, we start by identifying like terms. Rearranging, we group the like terms, which simplifies to 3x plus 4y. In conclusion, we have covered the basics of algebraic expressions, including definitions, important terms, coefficients, and factors. We also discussed monomials, binomials, and their applications in real-life scenarios. Understanding these concepts will help you solve various algebraic problems effortlessly. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.